In the heart of the distant lands of Eldralore, a mysterious forest known as Fireveil Forest shimmered with an eternal, amber glow. Legends spoke of its secrets, ancient trees that whispered forgotten tales, rivers of molten gold, and the mystical Emberstone, a gem said to grant unmatched courage and wisdom. The forest was guarded by the Ember Warden, a creature born of fire and shadow, who tested all who ventured within. One evening, in the village of Windmere, siblings Alden and Mira discovered an ancient map hidden in their late grandfather's chest. The map, singed at the edges, bore the title, Path to the Emberstone. "This is it, Mira!" Alden exclaimed. Grandfather always said the Emberstone could save the village from any threat. With the drought worsening, this could be our chance. Mira, the cautious yet clever younger sister, examined the map. If the stories are true, this won't be easy. But we have to try. Armed with the map, provisions, and their grandfather's compass, the two set off at dawn. The siblings' journey began on the Ashen Path, a trail that wound through fields of blackened grass and gnarled trees. Along the way, they encountered their first challenge, a Riddle Oak, a tree with a face carved by time and magic. Its deep voice echoed, "To proceed, you must answer. I rise with the sun and fall with the night, yet I'm always whole, never out of sight." Mira's eyes lit up. The horizon. The Riddle Oak creaked open, revealing a hidden trail. After days of trekking, Alden and Mira reached the Golden River, its molten currents dazzling and dangerous. "How do we cross this?" Alden wondered aloud. Nearby, they found a ferryman, a ghostly figure cloaked in shimmering gold. "To cross, you must pay a toll." "Not of gold, but of memory," the ferryman intoned. "A memory?" Mira asked hesitantly. "A precious one. It will be returned if you succeed in your quest." Alden offered his memory of their grandfather. Mira shared the day she first climbed the tallest tree in Windmere. The ferryman accepted their offerings, granting them safe passage. Finally, the siblings arrived at the heart of Fireveil Forest, where the air shimmered with heat. The Emberstone rested on a pedestal of obsidian, but the Ember Warden loomed before it. A towering figure of flame and shadow, its voice crackled like firewood. "To claim the Emberstone, you must face 3 trials: heart, mind, and spirit." The trial of heart, the Warden conjured an illusion of their village, dry and desolate. "Would you sacrifice your comfort to save this place?" it asked. Without hesitation, Alden replied, stepping forward. The illusion faded. The trial of mind, a labyrinth of fire appeared, and Mira's cleverness shone as she deciphered the glowing symbols and navigated the maze. The trial of spirit, the Warden conjured their deepest fears. For Alden, it was failing his family. For Mira, it was being lost and alone. Together, they overcame their fears by holding fast to their bond. The Warden stepped aside, its fiery form dimming. "You have proven yourselves worthy. Take the Emberstone, and may its light guide you." Alden and Mira approached the pedestal, and as they touched the Emberstone, it pulsed with warmth and energy. Visions of hope and renewal filled their minds. When the siblings returned to Windmere, the Emberstone's power rejuvenated the village. The villagers celebrated their bravery, and Alden and Mira's tale became a legend passed down for generations. As for the siblings, they knew their journey had changed them forever. Fireveil Forest and its wonders remained etched in their hearts.